Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zach Bryan's Heading South on guitar. We'll start by covering the fundamental chords you'll need, then move on to the correct capo position. Next, we'll break down the song's signature strumming pattern, ensuring you can play it with confidence. Finally, we'll put all these elements together, helping you master this fantastic song. Let's get started. For Heading South, you'll primarily use four open chords: G, C, D, and E minor. These are common shapes, so you might already know them. Crucially, you'll need to place your capo on the third fret of your guitar. This sets the correct key for the song. Take your time to ensure each chord rings out clearly and practice transitioning smoothly between them before moving on. The strumming pattern for Heading South is a key part of its feel. It's a consistent down, down, up motion. Focus on keeping a steady rhythm, letting your wrist stay loose. Try to emphasize the first downstroke of each measure to give it that driving, authentic sound. Practice this pattern slowly at first, building up speed as your hand gets more comfortable. Now it's time to put everything together. Start by playing the chords and strumming pattern at a very slow tempo. Once you feel confident, gradually increase your speed. A great way to refine your timing is to play along with the original Zach Bryan track. Don't get discouraged if it takes some time. Consistent practice is key. Soon, you'll be playing Heading South like a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.